In this guide, you'll learn how to see Wi-Fi passwords for networks you've connected to on your Android phone. Follow these steps to access your saved Wi-Fi passwords. Go to the settings on your Android phone and tap on Connections. Select Wi-Fi. In the top right-hand side, click the dots menu and choose Advanced Settings. Now select Manage Networks. Here, you'll find a list of Wi-Fi networks you've previously connected to. Your default Wi-Fi connection is shown at the top. Mine is VM7829520. Click on the preferred connection. You can only see the Wi-Fi password after completing the authentication process. I hope you don't mind, but I have hidden mine from you. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to hit the like button below and share it with your friends. If you want to see more videos like this, click subscribe and join us.